a journey to train your mouth to talk. Many people know English, many people understand English. But when it is time to speak, the mouth stays silent. The words are inside the mind, but they do not come out. If this is your problem, this lesson is for you. Today, we will understand why your mouth feels locked and how to start unlocking it. Listen carefully, because this lesson will change how you see speaking. Lesson 1. Why your mouth feels locked. Let us be very honest. Your mouth is not weak. Your English is not bad. The real problem is fear and habit. Yes, fear and habit. 1. You were trained to stay silent. From childhood, many of us were trained like this. Do not speak wrong. Do not make mistakes. People will laugh. Stay quiet. It is safer. Slowly, your brain learned one thing. Speaking is dangerous. So when you want to speak English, your brain sends a warning. Your heart beats faster. Your mouth becomes tight, and you stop. This is not your fault. This is training. And remember one important rule. What is trained can be retrained. 2. Your mouth is not used to English. Think about this. You understand English because you listen and read. But how much do you use your mouth in English? Very little. Your mouth is like a muscle. If you do not use it, it becomes lazy. You cannot run a marathon without practice. In the same way, you cannot speak fluently without mouth practice. Knowing English is a mind skill. Speaking English is a mouth skill. You trained your mind. Now it is time to train your mouth. 3. Thinking too much blocks speaking. Another big reason your mouth feels locked is overthinking. You think, is this sentence correct? Is my grammar right? What if I say something wrong? By the time you think so much, the moment is gone. Fluent speakers do not think first. They speak first and correct later. Remember this golden rule. Fluency comes from flow, not from perfection. If you wait for perfect English, you will never speak. 4. Silence has become your comfort zone. Silence feels safe. Speaking feels risky. Your brain always chooses comfort over growth. So every time you stay silent, your brain feels relaxed. And every time you try to speak, your brain feels stress. But growth never happens in comfort. If you want a new life, if you want confidence, if you want respect, you must step out of silence. 5. The truth you must accept today. Let me tell you a hard truth. You will never feel ready to speak. Confidence comes after speaking, not before. You do not speak because you are confident. You become confident because you speak. So stop waiting. Your mouth will learn only one way, by opening and using it every day. Today, do only this. Speak English alone for 5 minutes. Do not stop. Do not correct. Just speak anything. Talk about your day. Talk about your dreams. Talk about what you see around you. This is not speaking practice. This is mouth training. Your voice matters. Your thoughts matter. Your words deserve to come out. Do not let fear keep your mouth locked. Lesson 2. Break the fear of making mistakes. Do not start with confidence. Start with courage. Most people do not fear English. They fear mistakes. This fear is the biggest wall between your mouth and fluent speech. Today, we will break this wall. 1. Mistakes are not the enemy. From childhood, we were taught one wrong idea. Mistakes are bad. So we started avoiding mistakes. And slowly, we started avoiding speaking. But here's the truth. Mistakes are not the enemy. Silence is the enemy. A person who makes mistakes is learning. A person who stays silent is stuck. Every fluent speaker you admire today once spoke broken English. They did not become fluent by staying quiet. They became fluent by speaking wrong again and again. 2. Your brain learns through errors. Your brain is very smart, but it learns only one way: trial and error. If you never try, your brain never learns. When you say a wrong sentence, your brain notices it. Your brain stores it. Next time, your brain improves it. This is natural learning. Children speak wrong words for years. Nobody laughs at them. That is why they become fluent. Adults fear mistakes. That is why they stay stuck. If you want adult fluency, you must learn like a child. 3. People are not judging you as much as you think. Let us be honest. People are busy with their own lives. They are busy with their own problems. They are not sitting and analyzing your grammar. And even if someone laughs or judges, that moment will pass. Their opinion will not pay your bills. Their judgment will not build your future. But your silence will. Never let temporary embarrassment stop permanent growth. 4. Fluency is messy in the beginning. Fluency does not start clean. It starts messy. Broken sentences, wrong words, long pauses. This is normal. Think about learning to ride a bicycle. You fall. You feel awkward. You get hurt. But one day, balance comes naturally. Speaking English is the same. If today your English is messy, it means fluency is on the way. 5. Speak first, correct later. This is a powerful rule. Speak now, improve later. Do not correct every sentence while speaking. Correction during speaking kills fluency. First goal, flow. Second goal, accuracy. If you focus on accuracy first, you lose flow. If you get flow first, accuracy will come automatically. Let your mouth move freely. Let your brain adjust slowly. 6. Change the meaning of mistakes. From today, change one thing in your mind. Do not say, I made a mistake. Say, I practiced. Do not say, my English is bad. Say, my English is growing. Language is not a test. Language is a skill, and skills improve only by use. Daily fear-breaking exercise. Do this every day. Speak English for 10 minutes. Speak fast. Do not stop. Do not correct. Do not feel guilty. If a wrong sentence comes out, smile and continue. This exercise trains two things: your mouth to move, your mind to relax. Fear disappears only when action becomes habit. Your English does not need permission to come out. Your voice does not need perfection. Mistakes mean movement. Silence means stagnation. Speak wrong, speak badly, but speak. Because every word you speak today builds the confident speaker you will become tomorrow. Lesson 3. Speak before you feel ready. If you are waiting to feel ready, you will wait forever. Fluent speakers did not wait for confidence. They spoke first, and confidence followed. Today, you will learn why waiting is your biggest mistake and how to speak even when you feel unprepared. 1. Readiness is a lie. Your mind tells you, I am not ready yet. I need more vocabulary. I need better grammar. This is not preparation. This is fear wearing a smart mask. The truth is simple. You will never feel ready. Readiness does not come before action. Readiness comes because of action. People who speak fluently today once spoke without feeling ready. 2. Confidence is built in motion. Confidence is not a feeling. Confidence is a result. You do not gain confidence by thinking. You gain confidence by doing. Every time you speak, your fear reduces a little. Your mouth becomes faster. Your brain becomes calmer. Small action creates big change. Silence keeps fear alive. Speech kills fear slowly. 3. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. There is no perfect time to speak, not tomorrow. Not after one more course, not after one more book. The perfect moment is now. Fluent speakers speak with limited words, with simple sentences, with imperfect grammar. They do not wait, they move. 4. Speak even when your voice shakes. Fear shows itself in the body, dry mouth, shaky voice, fast heartbeat. This is normal. Do not stop speaking because of these signs. These signs mean your comfort zone is breaking, and breaking comfort is the only way to grow. Speak slowly if needed. Pause if needed. But do not stop. 5. Simple English is powerful English. Many learners think, fluent means difficult words. This is wrong. Fluent means clear, simple, natural. Simple English spoken confidently is better than advanced English spoken silently. Say what you know. Use what you have. Do not wait for perfection. 6. Make speaking a daily decision. Speaking is not motivation. Speaking is a decision. Decide, I will speak today, no matter how I feel. Mood does not matter. Fear does not matter. Only action matters. Consistency creates fluency. Daily speaking challenge. Every day, do this. Speak English for 15 minutes. Choose one topic. Speak without stopping. Record your voice if possible. Do not listen to improve. Listen only to notice progress. Progress comes quietly. You do not become ready and then speak. You speak and then become ready. Your future fluent self is waiting for you to start today. Do not wait. Do not delay. Open your mouth and begin. Lesson 4. Daily mouth training exercises. You do not become fluent by thinking. You become fluent by training your mouth. Today, we stop theory. Today, we start real training. If you do these exercises daily, your mouth will open naturally and words will come out without force. 1. Warm up your mouth like an athlete. Athletes warm up their body. Speakers must warm up their mouth. Before speaking English, do this. Open your mouth wide. Move your lips slowly. Stretch your tongue. Say simple sounds loudly. This wakes up your speaking muscles. A cold mouth speaks slowly. A warm mouth speaks freely. 2. Read aloud. Every day. Reading silently helps understanding. Reading aloud trains speaking. Take any simple English text, a short story, a news paragraph, your own script. Read it out loud, not in your head. Read slowly. Pronounce clearly. Do not rush. This connects eyes, brain, mouth. This is powerful training. 3. Repeat after audio. Choose any English audio. Podcast, video, short story. Listen to one sentence. Pause, repeat it loudly. Do not copy perfectly. Just repeat confidently. This exercise improves pronunciation, improves rhythm, builds natural flow. Your mouth learns how English sounds. 4. Speak without thinking. Exercise. This is the most important exercise. Set a timer for 5 minutes. Choose a simple topic. Examples: your day, your job, your dreams, your past. Now speak continuously. Rules: do not stop. Do not correct. Do not think. Even if you repeat words, continue. This removes fear and builds speaking speed. 5. Mirror speaking practice. Stand in front of a mirror. Look into your own eyes. Speak English. This builds confidence, body language, eye contact. Your mind starts accepting, I am a speaker. This changes self-image. 6. Talk to yourself without shame. Talking to yourself is not strange. It is smart training. You talk to yourself in your mind every day. Now talk out loud in English. Describe what you are doing. I am cooking. I am walking. I am thinking. This turns English into a daily habit. Daily mouth training routine. 20 minutes. Do this every day. 3 minutes mouth warm-up. 5 minutes read aloud. 5 minutes repeat after audio. 7 minutes free speaking. Consistency is more important than perfection. Your mouth will not change in one day, but it will change every day you train it. Small daily practice creates big speaking power. Do not skip. Do not stop. Your voice is waking up. Lesson 5. Think less, speak more. Thinking is good, but overthinking destroys speaking. If your mind is too active, your mouth becomes silent. Today, we will quiet the mind so your mouth can finally speak freely. 1. Overthinking is the real problem. Most learners think, I need more words. But the real problem is, I think too much before speaking. You think about grammar, vocabulary, people's reactions. By the time you finish thinking, the moment is gone. Fluent speakers do not think sentence by sentence. They speak and adjust naturally. 2. Speaking is not a grammar exam. When you speak English, you are not writing an exam. Nobody is checking your marks. Nobody is grading your mistakes. Speaking is communication, not perfection. Your message is more important than your grammar. If people understand you, you are already successful. 3. Slow mind, fast mouth rule. Here is a powerful rule. Slow your thinking, not your speaking. Do not plan long sentences. Think in ideas, not sentences. Example. Think, morning routine. Speak, I wake up early, I drink water, I walk outside. Short sentences create fluency. Simple ideas create confidence. 4. Accept imperfect flow. Your speech does not need to be smooth all the time. Pauses are okay. Repeating words is okay. Simple grammar is okay. Stopping completely is not okay. Fluency is movement, not beauty. Let your mouth move freely, even if your English is not perfect. 5. Trust your mouth. You trained your mouth in Lesson 4. Now trust it. If you always control your mouth, it will never become natural. Release control. Let mistakes come. Let words come. Trust grows with usage. 6. Replace thinking with momentum. The moment you start speaking, momentum takes over. The first sentence is hard. The second is easier. The third flows. So do not prepare too much. Just start. Anti-overthinking speaking exercise. Do this daily. Choose a topic. Start speaking immediately. No planning, no notes, no correction. Speak for 10 minutes. If you stop thinking, fluency begins. Your mind is smart, but your mouth needs freedom. Do not trap your voice inside thoughts. Speak first, think later. Lesson 6. Make speaking a natural habit.